In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on two-step verification in Zoom. Two-step verification, sometimes called two-factor authentication, adds a second check when you sign in, making it much harder for anyone else to access your account. It's a quick change that delivers a big boost to your security. Start by signing in to the Zoom website in a desktop browser. These settings live on the web, not in the desktop app. Once you're signed in, open My Account. Depending on your layout, you may see this in the left panel or near the top of the page. Either way, it takes you to your account homepage where you can manage personal details and security. From your account area, select Profile in the left-hand menu. Profile is where Zoom keeps your basic information and sign-in options, so this is the right place to enable extra protection. Now scroll down the Profile page until you find the section labeled Two-Step Verification. It can appear under Security or Sign-in Controls, so keep scrolling steadily until you see it. If the page is long, take your time to avoid skipping past it. When you find two-step verification, click Turn On. This starts the activation process. Nothing changes just yet. You're simply telling Zoom you want to add that extra layer. To confirm it's really you making the change, Zoom will prompt you to enter your account password. Type your password and continue. This safeguard prevents anyone with temporary access to your device from altering your security settings without permission. After you confirm, follow any on-screen guidance. You should see a clear indication on your profile page that two-step verification is now enabled. Look for a status label or a toggle showing it's active. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh your browser and check again. A few quick tips as you go. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoom account before you begin, especially if you manage more than one. If you don't see the two-step verification option, your organization may control this setting, so you might need to contact an administrator or switch to a personal account. And for best results, complete these steps on a desktop browser with a reliable internet connection. That's it. You opened My Account, went to Profile, scrolled to Two-Step Verification, clicked Turn On, and confirmed with your password. With that, you've added a powerful layer of security to help protect your meetings, contacts, and recordings. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any part while you set it up.